Hello everyone, I am Adisham Krasi, student of class 10th from Marthama Groundbreath English Medium School, Siora. Thank you Nikhil sir for giving me this opportunity to making a wonderful project on mathematics. In this video I cover the topics what is the pi, how it is used in mathematics, how it is invented and some shocking fact about pi and what is the relation of pi with great scientists Sir Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking and hence this is a story of pi. Did you know why does a supercomputer fail to recognize some value of pi after calculating 5 trillion value? And why do some mathematicians spend their whole life to find some value of pi? And did you know on which day pi day could be celebrated and why did they? And what is the relation of pi day with great scientists Sir Albert Einstein or Stephen Hawking? Pi is the 16th letter of a Greek language just as P is the 16th letter of English language. Why it is used in a mathematics? To understand this, we have to go in 3500 BC. Now, my mathematics teacher Mr. Nikhil Pandey is always saying that where the problem, there is a solution. This line should be applied on ancient time. In ancient people wants to carry goods, so they make a wheelbarrow. But the problem could be over that tire of a wheelbarrow are not an accurate circular shape. So good starting falling down. To solve this problem, some mathematician make a measurement that if the diameter of circle is 7 units, then circumference of circle must be 22 units to show the ratio of circle circumference to its diameter by pi. So, on a Greek language, parameter is known as perimetros and circumference known as periphery. The amazing thing to be observed that both letters start from pi, so as it possible by this ratio show by pi. Now we define pi as the ratio of circle circumference to its diameter by pi. Mathematical we express this equation is at. Now diameter is written as 2r. So when we cross multiply, it becomes circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Congratulations, it is the formula of circumference of circle. Now I prove this ratio with the help of my wonderful model. Now sir, you have observed that the diameter of this circle is 7 unit. Now when we measure the circumference of this circle is you see that the circumference of this circle is exactly 22 units. Now I have another example to show this ratio that the diameter of this circle is 7 unit. Now when we measure the circumference of this circle is, it become exactly 22 unit. You have observed that. Now I have a real life example. The diameter of this camera lens is 7 unit. Then according to maths, if the diameter of any circular object is 7 unit, then the circumference of this object must be 22 unit. And when we measure the circumference of this camera lens, it is exactly 22 unit. Maths never be wrong. That means the camera lens is accurately in a circular shape, and these ratios are given by mathematician. Shocking pi fact. Pi fact. I say supercomputer bad with pi and lost it. And how is lost it? Before this, we use 22 by 7 in a place of pi. You would be shocked when I am saying 22 by 7 is not a value of pi. Yes, I am not joking. The real value of pi is non-terminating, non-repeating and pi is a rational number. But when we cut 22 by 7, it becomes 3.14159, 3.14159. It is repeating. To solve this number, some mathematician use a computer to find this value. And computer is calculating the value of pi in last 2-3 decades and now today also he is calculating. But supercomputer fail to calculate the exact value of pi. There is a micro difference between the real value of pi. We can use pi in many places to calculate the area of circle, area of sphere, area of hemisphere, etc. etc. Fact about Pi Day. Did you know every year Pi Day could be celebrated and why that day? So on a 14 March Pi Day could be celebrated and why that day? So see the value of pi. It's 3.14. So here we come 3rd month 14th date. On that is a specific time to celebrate Pi Day. It's 1:59 o'clock. Why it is celebrated on 1:59 o'clock? So again see the value of pi. It's 1.3.14159. So here we come 1:59 o'clock. Some strange coincidence. Every year 14 March Pi Day could be celebrated. On that day great scientist Sir Albert Einstein was born. On that day, great scientist Sir Stephen Hawking was dead. What's a coincidence? What did you think about it?